Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your device so the install goes smoothly. Enable unknown sources in settings security if needed, and make sure your device unlock method is set and tested. Once done, confirm Android version and free up about 100 MB of storage to avoid install errors. You should download the UpdateMe APK to a known folder. Remember the exact file name. This lets you find the file immediately when you begin installation, which saves time and prevents interruptions. You locate the APK in your file manager and tap it to begin installation. Accept the install prompt and any permissions the app requests. Once installed, open UpdateMe and walk through initial setup. Grant runtime permissions like storage and notifications so updates can download and alert you. Next, sign in or create an account to sync preferences. Make sure to enable the auto-update toggle and select backup options. These steps ensure the app can check, download, and restore updates reliably without manual intervention. You finish by triggering a manual check now to validate installation and update flow. Watch downloads and accept any install prompts. If an update fails, make sure permissions are intact, then clear the app cache or uninstall and reinstall the APK to reset state. Once done, re-enable auto-update and confirm a successful run. If problems persist, enable verbose logs in settings and share them with support. This single troubleshooting step often reveals permission issues, network blocks, or certificate mismatches, so you can resolve the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.